The Oraimo SpaceBuds Neo is a toned-down version of the original SpaceBuds I reviewed a couple of months ago. Looking at the SpaceBuds Neo, they stand out as an evolution in design. Despite removing all the top-notch features, the Neo still packs a punch for an all-round listening experience, including the newly added spatial audio. I've been using this earbud for more than 3 weeks now, testing them for music, gaming, calls, and everything in between. So in this video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the SpaceBuds Neo. Currently priced at 15,900 Naira, they offer a lot of value for the price, loaded with good features that make them a great budget option for premium functionality. And remember, if you are thinking about picking them up, you can use our exclusive discount code displayed on the screen at checkout for 5% off on the Oraimo official store. It's Mr. Roy here, and this is All Around Review. So let's get down to business. I've already unboxed this, but let me quickly take you through what's inside the box. Oraimo has kept up with its signature black and green packaging. Inside you'll find the charging case neatly positioned at the top. You also get a USB-C charging cable and 2 additional sets of silicone ear tips for different ear sizes. We have the small, medium and large. The package also includes a detailed user manual for those who like to explore every features. Oraimo has completely redesigned both the charging case and the earbuds. The case now has a smooth wave-like texture at the top. It's no longer that round-shaped charging case but a semi-rectangular one. The signature Oraimo logo sits at the front, and there is an LED indicator on the case that shows charging status for both the case and the earbuds. The USB-C port is located at the bottom of the case. With this transparent design, you can easily see whether the earbuds are inside. However, the case itself feels quite basic and cheap due to its plastic build. It also produces a loud sound when you snap it shut. Another downside is that it's prone to scratches, though considering the price, this is understandable. Opening the lid automatically connects the earbud to your device. The earbud themselves also features a new design, though they don't resemble the base version. Overall, the design is stylish and comfortable, especially if you prefer earbuds with extended tips. They come in speed black, mystery blue-green, and light gold color variant. The SpaceBuds Neo comes packed with regular budget features. They use Bluetooth 5.4 for stable connection, low latency game mode, and Oraimo's self-acclaimed Sound360 Spatial audio. Oraimo claims this technology renders stereo sound and widens the sound field for an immersive experience, but honestly, it's more of a gimmick. I had the same complaint when reviewing the Boom Pop Lite. You can check out my review on the Boom Pop Lite where I explain the difference between real spatial audio and what Oraimo offers. The SpaceBuds Neo is equipped with an IPX4 water resistant rating and a nano anti-sweat coating, so you can enjoy your music without worrying about sweat or splashes. Whether you are working out or caught in the rain, this should hold up very fine. The SpaceBuds Neo supports the Oraimo Sound app, which unlocks their full potentials. Through the app, you can choose between 5 EQ presets or set a custom EQ. As usual, heavy bass is the default preset. There's also a toggle to enable or disable the spatial audio feature. The app allows full touch control customization, so you can remap functions like play pause, track skipping, and volume control. You can also activate game mode from the app. Oraimo claims this earbud offers up to 5 hours of playtime, but based on my testing, I haven't maxed out the battery yet, since I usually top them up before they fully drain. According to Oraimo, charging takes roughly 2 hours. Since I haven't fully depleted the case battery, I can't confirm exactly how long it lasts, but overall, battery life has been decent. The microphone setup here is solid. The built-in dual noise-reducing microphones combined with AI algorithm work together to minimize background noise during calls. Even in noisy environments, my voice came out clear and natural with minimal distortions. Now for the part you have been waiting for, sound quality. If you have made this far, make sure to like this video and leave a comment. I've been using this as my daily driver and they sound impressive. They are loud, clear, and the bass is punchy without being overpowering. The 10mm dynamic drivers delivers a balanced mix of bass, mids, and highs, making them suitable for all music genres. Vocals are clear and instrument separation is excellent. Even at lower volume, details remain sharp, which isn't always the case for budget earbuds. Plus, there is no distortion at maximum volume, though I wouldn't recommend listening at full blast for long periods. The Oraimo SpaceBuds Neo checks all the boxes: great sound and solid battery life. Whether you are a casual listener, gamer, or someone who takes a lot of calls, this earbud has something for everyone. So that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Mr. Roy for All Round Review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.